The Green Buffalo's Flame Lily Legends Social Foundation was officially launched yesterday at Harare Central Prisons in the capital. The event was planned in order to honor the former soccer stars who contributed to the Zimbabwe Prisons and Correctional Service football and to remember the late soccer stars by taking care of their loved ones.
Vision Foundation, we want our former players, the legends, to have a better life after their playing days are off. We have seen so many players living in abject poverty. So we have decided that we don't want to be part of the statistics. We want to take care of ourselves, we want to take care of one of our own. We want them to have a better life in terms of affording them fees for their schooling, and also in special cases where they might be in need of support in terms of food or financially, we are also going to chip in.
Inini nofara skuru nezvaitwa nevakomana nokuti it will help my other sports personalities and other sports personal disciplines, because as it is here in Zimbabwe we don't have such a fund, especially our association ZIFA. We should have that launch yakaita saiyo, because inobetsera my former players, my former sports personalities or in different disciplines, because tikareka kuzviita izvi mangwana most of our players vamwe vacho vanozova vari madestitute vasina chinovabetsera. Look at South Africa, they have that fund inofunda my former players, my former personalities akasiyana siyana, which is an eye opener to all sporting disciplines and all organizations, and we urge ZIFA to have that fund again to help other former players, former sports personalities. I think it's a good idea which has been done by ZPCS. It shows that they've got a light ahead of them. Yes, at the moment I'm at BN Academy and I'm helping from the age of 5 up to the under 20. We are working with the youngsters every weekend and every holidays. We are working with the youngsters. So to me, as it is, I'm happy because I'm always occupied with the youngsters, especially from the tender age up to the under 20s. I'm working with them every holiday and every week.
Speaking at the launch, the Zimbabwe Prisons and Correctional Service Commissioner General Moses Chiwovu, who was the guest of honor, praised the football stars for their great works in Zimbabwe, as they will also contribute to the wellness of the country.
It is with great pleasure that I stand before you on this important and joyous event in the history of the Zimbabwe Prisons and Correctional Service. We are gathered here today to witness the official launch of the Green Buffalo's Flame Lily Legends Social Foundation. May I on the onset highlight that this is testament to the commitment of the visionaries and former Green Buffaloes and Flame Lily players to give back to the community that has supported soccer throughout their career. With these remarks, it is now my honor to declare the Green Buffaloes Flame Lily Legends Social Foundation officially launched.
The Green Buffalo's Flame Lily Legends was formed by the Zimbabwe Prisons and Correctional Service members in order to improve the status of sports in the country. Some of the Green Buffalo's members were awarded medals during the launch of this foundation. The Green Buffalo's Flame Lily Legends Social Foundation. Thokozile Mawere, reporting for Pasha TV Harare.